അല്ല അത് 5 സീറ്റ് ആകുമ്പോൾ ഇതുണ്ടാവില്ല. 5 സീറ്റ് ആകുമ്പോഴേ
Alexa, stop. Alexa, put on the music.
Here is Hangama music.
Can we start the vehicle using this Alexa? No.
Yeah, we can start the engine. Press the brakes. Brakes press here. I don't know, it will not connect. Alexa, start the engine. Okay, it is not connected because it is not this thing. So this is all front commands. So when you start the engine, you have all the features. Okay, for example, I will start the engine. Engine started. Alexa, switch on the AC.
Okay.
Alexa, switch on the AC. Switch on the AC.
Okay.
Alexa, switch off the AC.
Okay.
Alexa, switch on the AC.
Okay.
So first it has to be on.
Fan will work.
No, AC is working. The radiator compressor is on.
After if
That fan is off, on, no? That's because you're only putting the AC off.
Okay.
Yeah, this is about the video, Android Auto, music, okay, phone, connecting, navigation, applications, anything you wanted to, or dining, hotel, anything like that. And then we have Fun with XUV. There you can understand the engine revving. So if you want to feel sporty mode, rev the engine. You can feel it. So in diesel we have a technology called drive modes in top end model. There you can select the zip zap zoom test mode. There you can always set your power also, you can see in this custom change mode. Okay. Yeah, switch off. And this is about the basic features about this vehicle. Yeah. And now here comes we have other features like for example, and instrument cluster we have other options. So we can able to start with the features. For example, display whatever seeing right now, you can always change it right now. So you will have this indication. Okay. Okay, this indication you can joystick here. You can understand whatever you want to do. Okay. Settings change it. For example, you want to go for settings first. Okay, I'll set the display first. Okay. First display layout. This is simple item. So normal is the information. This is minimal. Very simple message. Just will have this speedometer and the gear. Right? So all that. So now I'll go back to this. So I'll go to information about the navigation. You can set, not a problem. Okay, and display you can set, and settings. Settings like we have all the safety features can be managed here.
Okay.
Driver assistance you can select, and you can select the driver assistant like adaptive cruise control is here. I'll explain you that. And this also you can set your response time, slow, normal, fast எல்லாமே set பண்ணலாம். Okay, now it's already, we'll keep it on the fast. Okay, and then we'll go back to this, and then we can set all this available only in the top end model. Yeah. So lane keep assist is there. That will give you, for example, if you're going in a two lanes, lane marking proper இருக்கும். If any lane, if you're going in the middle of the track this side, 70% this side, 30% this lane, that will label judge automatically. Your steering will take your control and take it this way. It's called Smart Pilot also. Smart Pilot will happen only when this is available on here. For example, it is here. Settings போட்டு எல்லாம் செட் செய்யலாம் நீங்கள் before you start the vehicle. Basically, if you wanted to. Okay. So இதில் வந்து எல்லா ஆப்ஷன் இருக்குது. Blind view mirror வேணால் ஆஃப் பண்ணிக்கலாம், வேணும்னா drowsiness ஆஃப் பண்ணிக்கலாம். In case you wanted to sleeping mode இருந்ததுன்னா you can switch off the engine. So அந்த ஆப்ஷன் இருக்குது. Okay. So, customer that will select the driving pattern of your vehicle, of your driving, then you will take a decision. Okay. Passenger airbag and off பண்ணிக்கலாம். All these things available. Auto emergency braking off பண்ணிங்க on பண்ணிக்கலாம். And lane keep assist you can put off if you want. Smart Pilot is on automatically. That will drive a control of it. So these are the major features on this particular vehicle. Yeah, understood?
ஆட்டோமேட்டிக் பிரேக்கிங் எத்தனை மீட்டரில் பிரேக் பண்ணும் வண்டி?
அது வந்து it depends what kind of auto emergency braking is the last stance. Very abruptly someone is coming forward to you. மோட்ல இருக்கணும், headlight plus high beamல இருக்கணும். These two things extra boost will come in and go on the highway.
This will be available only from top end.
Top end version. Yeah.